Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video you can insert a SIM card at the Nokia 7.2. For that we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. You will find it here behind the plastic. So just remove it like this and now you're able to catch it. Otherwise you could use also of course the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And there's a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and the first SIM card, by the way, a nano SIM card, so will need a nano SIM card, a very tiny one. So you have to enter it in that position with the missing corner, and the contacts are below. Yeah, and if you want, you can also add a second SIM card if you want. So like this, also a nano size. No? It's a bit tiny here. Thick. Okay, missing corner, and also the contacts are below. So, and what is very nice, you can next to two SIM cards also add a micro SD card in case you want to extend the memory on the phone. So it requires the last position in case you want to have it, and it has to look like this then finally, and also the contacts are below. And that construction you put back into the phone, or your construction if you work with just one SIM card, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in them, just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.